Hey everybody, Sid Hameed with Brickfront Properties and Construction. We're doing another class this Thursday. Listen, it's very important. You guys click to subscribe to get the free ebook. It's a very detailed, comprehensive ebook that explains a lot of stuff about real estate investing. You make sure you click and make sure you subscribe to the forum. All right, so we're going to be talking about the good, the bad, and the ugly about real estate investing. So real estate investing is not all easy money, right? There are challenges. There's ups and downs. There's some scary stories, and we'll talk about some of the stories and all kinds of things that I've faced over the last 30 years. Okay, so the blueprint for real estate wealth, we're going to talk about that this weekend. You know, why real estate investing is better than the stock market. You guys see the stock market, what's happened in the last 2, 3, 4 weeks, right? So real estate investing, if you want to learn, you want to grow, you want to talk about it, click the link. See you on Thursday at 7 o'clock. Take care.